This is how soft the dirt is right here. It's insane.
Of course. Well, we'll be here for a while. Guess where we are? We are back at the first place. It hadn't been leveled. I just didn't go far enough down the road. I'm an idiot. So, we are gonna do a brand new stage. You'll see right now that we're going up like a little hill, and I figured it's the challenge. It's not how fast you're going. Like, you know, you don't have to be going 80 miles an hour the entire time. A rally is a challenge of the elements. So we got hills around us, let's use them. Okay, here we go. Try to get a real good slide in this one. That's so brutal right there. Jesus, that last part is so fucking brutal. This is why it's good to have a quick release bumper. I just took the zip ties off. And we'll put this fucking body pin in here. There we go. And there you have it. She's back in business. She's looking pretty familiar. Okay, we have to change it. Oh, looks like I wore through the welds over here. Oh, gonna have to repair that. Got a fellow soupy guy coming up. How you doing?
Oh, this is tight, bro. I seen it from over there. This is tight. Did you cut this?
Oh yeah, it was my first welding job ever. It's pretty shitty, but it worked.
You can't have nice cars going like that, bro.
No.
Huh?
Would you want to do any rallycross in that thing?
Hell no.
I know, it's too nice, yeah. You gotta wait till it gets some years on it first.
I would because it's so but I mean, they're built for that, but...
You gotta be willing to like trash it, unfortunately. We actually did a full walk around of Kevin's 2018 WRX, but I forgot to fucking push record like an idiot. Much appreciated for coming to check on me, man. Well, besides me denting my intercooler, breaking my front bumper in half, and getting a puncture, it's been a good day. I met a fellow Subi enthusiast. Thanks, Kevin, for stopping by and making sure I was cool. Have a good day. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you
in a future video.
I've been trying to catch this mouse for months now, and he's finally gonna be free. Here you go, buddy. Where'd you go? Come on. I put little snacks in there for him. Where'd he go? See his little face in there? You're fine, buddy. Come on. Come on. Here. And put the little thing, put those little snacks for you there. Look, he ate some of the nut and some of the bread. Come on, buddy. Yep, there he goes. Man, they're agile. See, it's a little bit extra effort, but it's totally worth it to just get the live catch things. They just go in there, and then they just can't get back out, and then you just relocate them. So he's got plenty of water, plenty of food around here, and he's got shelter for the winter. So